Webb will be launched from South America on an Ariane 5 rocket. And we get rid of the rocket, we get rid of the fairing, and then we start to do all of this unfolding. First thing to come out is the solar panels to provide power and a communication antenna. And then we will start to fold out the 5-layer sun shield that will protect the telescope from the sunlight and from the earth light. The membranes on this sun shield are called Kapton. It's kind of a plastic material, fairly thin, shiny on one side so that it reflects the sunlight away. And there are 5 layers, each separated by almost half a meter. Webb is the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, one of the most successful telescopes in the history of our planet. In production for almost 20 years, an international project of NASA and the European and Canadian space agencies. It's a general purpose observatory. Instead of being an experiment doing one thing, it's multi-capable and will be able to address almost every aspect of astronomy. If you look at the mirror of Webb, you see 18 hexagons put together into the primary mirror. We had to get it away from the Earth. Webb is going to be in a special orbit that is 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth, called the second Lagrange point. So the mirrors itself, there are 18 mirror segments. Each one is 1.3 meters from the flat to flat on the hexagon. It's a hexagon design because that's the way tiling works. Basically, the way optics of telescopes work is that it's good to be close to having a circular telescope. You end up with a sharper image of a star with the circular telescope. So the geometry is simply how to make something pretty close to a circle out of 18 different segments. Now, each of those mirror segments, as I said, is 1.3 meters from flat to flat on the hexagon. It's made of beryllium. Beryllium is a very lightweight, very stiff metal. And the big advantage of beryllium for Webb is that when you get it down to the operating temperature, it doesn't change its shape if the temperature varies by a degree or two.